This is Victor Vanico Johnson with your Finance Friday tip. Listen, you guys know I'm a general partner for Credit Restoration Mentors, so I'm always talking to my clients and other people about how they can improve their credit scores quickly. Listen, the number one thing you can do is pay your bills on time. So I always recommend automate your bill payments. That way you know when it's going to your creditors and they're going to receive it on time, hopefully before that due date. Next, you want to see if you can get added as an authorized user. If you've got family members that have excellent credit scores on their credit cards, they've been paying consistently for the last 24 months, you can be added as an authorized user and you'll inherit their great payments and boost your credit score. And then of course, one of the other big things you can do is keep your credit card utilization down. Do not charge more than 20% of your credit card limit. That will hurt you if you go beyond that. You can keep it under 20, even 10%, that shoots you into that 700 club. So those are my 3 quick tips to boost your credit score here on Finance Friday.